Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.8 on Microsoft Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8 or 8.1 you should not have any issues, okay? And my system type is 64-bit, so I'll get 64-bit Python 3.8 package, okay? So go ahead and launch your preferred browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Edge sometimes doesn't work, so I'm going to use Google Chrome. Okay, here we go. So now go ahead and type python.org and hit enter, and you will land on this Python website, the home page. Okay, then you go ahead and put your cursor here and then scroll down to Windows and click on it. Now here you get so many options. Now you'll see Python 3, Python 2, and these are both the latest releases for Python 3 and 2. If you want to have a look at the older version of Python, you can scroll down and search for the specific version that you're looking for. So I'm going to click on this Python 3.8.0 and simply scroll down. Under files section you'll see there are so many options here. So if you want to download the 64-bit, go ahead and download this file. This is executable installer, so go ahead and try this one. If you have 32-bit system, you can go ahead and try this one, Windows x86 executable installer. So because my system is 64-bit, I'm going to try this one. So I just clicked on it and I'm going to save it now. So this is going to be saved on my desktop. You will have to remember where your system saves where your browser saves this file, okay? Okay, so in the meanwhile, if you want to go ahead and check all the releases, this will take you to the same page. Okay, it's a different page but fewer links. Okay, now you can see the Python 3.8.0 64-bit is downloaded. I can go ahead and click on it, or what I can do, I can go ahead and minimize my browser and go to that section wherever the Python is downloaded. So in my case it's the desktop. It could be in the downloads folder for you. Okay, so I'm going to double click on it. So simply go ahead and double click on this executable Python package, and now the most important thing that you have to do is to check this box, add Python 3.8 to path. If you do not check this box, you will end up complaining that you are not able to execute Python from command line. Okay, so make sure you check that. Now once that done, you can go ahead and customize the installation. So you will get the documentation. I'm not going to get the documentation. It's going to take space on my system. So sorry. Pip is in kind of package manager that is required. TK enter is kind of GUI package that is required. Test suite is also required for a lot of people. Python launcher, you can install it. Okay, now you simply go ahead and click next, or you simply go back, and when you go to customize, there is no change made here. So that's what I want. Okay, so I want to uncheck this documentation and then go back and then click here, install now. Now you will get another window that says user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Say yes. Now this is going to install the Python 3.8 64-bit Python package on your system. So it shouldn't take a long time. It's trying to install TCL and TK enter, and Bootstrap, that's going to pip. So do not ask how to install pip after installing Python 3.8 because it is inbuilt. So if you haven't unchecked pip installation, you are okay. So you can see successful installation message here. You can go ahead and close it and then go to launch the command prompt. So wherever your command prompt is, go ahead and launch it and try a few things with me here. So go ahead and say Python space hyphen uppercase V, okay, and then hit enter. You will see Python 3.8.0. Same goes with pip. So pip hyphen uppercase V, and pip is 19.2.3, which is the latest version of pip. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment below. So this is how you can execute the code as well. Hello. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.